We set out with a dream to sail around the world. More than 30,000 nautical miles later, that dream has carried us from the shores of the Mediterranean to the furthest corners of the Caribbean Sea, across an ocean, through storms, and into places few ever get to experience. Along the way, we've witnessed some of the most extraordinary landscapes on Earth. Towering volcanoes rising from the sea, vast canyons carved by time, remote islands, untouched coastlines, and horizons that felt more like another planet than our own. Every mile has brought a new adventure, but the sails that carried us across an ocean are finally reaching their limit. They've been patched, repaired, and pushed far beyond what they were ever meant to endure. Countless times, they've torn under the strain of another passage. And now, we've reached the point where we simply cannot keep going.
But that's what we do. That's just what we do. Last weekend, that was your turn, I guess. Let's pretend that we are making progress. One of us makes a mistake. We work our way through the heartache, and then we're back where we started. We've gone full circle again.
So guys, we've taken down most of our sails now, and Cuba is essentially naked. You might be able to hear the foil of our inmast furling making this noise. That means no sail in there. And here as well, there was no way anymore that we could fix them. The cloth is completely coming apart. That's it, our old sails are in storage, they're gone. We can no longer fix them. So is my sewing machine, it's gone as well. The cloth, the stitching, everything has come apart. That's it. Now, what's gonna happen to SV CUBA? Are we gonna get a powerboat? Well, actually, we have a powerboat now. Well, we're gonna do the canal boat thing. Are we gonna get a power cat?
You're talking like we have money for getting all of this.
Maybe we're gonna get an off-grid farm. I heard that's all the rage. I don't know. But you gotta stay tuned and watch till the end of the video to find out. Now, I did try multiple times to save the sails with our sewing machine, but yeah, that's it now. It's all gone. So guys, Kiki said he's really good at farming, so there might be the possibility of the off-grid farm, but I do not have a green thumb at all, so you might be wondering what's going on, and I do have to admit we've been keeping a bit of a secret from you.
I'm the best potato farmer you can ever get.
Really?
Yeah, I mean a lot of YouTube channels they're going into farming. I think I'm gonna open a potato farm. I can grow potatoes and also make like alcohols and things like that.
That's gonna take a while, I guess. That isn't really my idea because we got enough potatoes in Germany. And unless they're French fries, I'm not really into that. But I'm gonna show you what my idea is.
Into the wild again. Tell me when does it end? Hide under the shadow of the morning. Into the break of dawn. We are gonna carry on. Covered by the daylight. It's alright. We are pushing head on. All your worries be gone. We are running straight out into the wild. Follow with the dance.
But I'm gonna show you what my idea is. Put on new sails! Yay! Because that's the secret we've been keeping from you guys. But today is the day that we're finally putting them up. And they're freaking heavy. Okay, I think we should do one by one. I don't think I can bring this up to go anyway. Okay, I'll go up. otherwise I break my back.
Which one is the lightest? That's the main.
Okay, that's the main.
I'm so excited.
Yay!
New sails.
Yeah! So, first of all, we want to thank a very, very special person.
You know who you are.
You know who you are. You are responsible
These are not
for this.
sponsor sales, though.
Correct.
They're not.
Correct. So you've reached out to us a while ago and you said, I cannot see you suffer anymore.
You're gonna become a liability.
Yes, exactly. So thank you for making it possible for us to keep going and not switching to the potato farm just yet. We know you didn't really want any credit for this, but we want you to know that you've done something very special for us.
I think without your help, we wouldn't be able to continue in our journey,
No.
and especially cross the South Pacific, because this is one of our dreams to be
Yeah.
able to reach South Pacific. And with the sales, how they are, that's it. That was a game over, and you made this possible for us. I mean, I forever, for the rest of our life, we'll be grateful for what you've done for us. And you can just come in anytime into the boat, just open the fridge and say, I live here now. Honestly, I don't really know how to say
come
thank
in.
you. It's just like, well, I do actually,
We-
but it's just a little thank you. Not much, but a little thank you.
It's something from our heart that we wanted to give you.
We wanted to give you this.
Yes.
So we built this, and
If
you've seen the videos actually.
Yeah, you've probably seen the videos of us building it and trying it, and it's super fun. And
We wanted to have it.
we wanted to give you something from our heart.
Yeah.
For anyone who's new here, this is the subwing that we built, and I hand painted this myself. And we tried it, and it's super fun.
Oh man, it's fun.
And
Yeah.
we want to give this to you as a
We're
present.
not gonna send it to you. We're not
No.
gonna do that.
You gotta pick it up.
Yeah. You gotta get a flight, come and pick it up, spend some time,
Spend
have some
time,
fun with us,
Get some beers out of the fridge.
and then take it with you.
So this is for you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, man. Honestly, I don't know what to say. We love you so
We
much.
love you.
And also, we want to say thank you to Maxime at Elfstrom Sales.
Maxime is the sales representative and agent for the Benelux region in Europe for Elfstrom. And Elfstrom is the OEM supplier for these sails.
Yeah, when the boat was built, they were the ones who supplied the sails for it.
Mm-hmm.
So when we measured the first time in the Bahamas, these guys have like 70 years experience. And I say this is not a sponsored video. This is not, they didn't pay for the sails or anything. But when we were in the Bahamas and we measured them, we made a mistake, couple of mistakes.
Yeah.
And they came back to us straight away. Say, guys, this is wrong. This is wrong. So every time we made a mistake, they bounced back. And they've been like on.
So the guys at Elfstrom have been advising us which sails would be best for us.
Yeah, I mean, for what we do, full-time cruising.
Correct.
And because they have so much experience, obviously, they know if we get the wrong sails, we'll
Be here again in
we'll
like
a couple of years.
Probably less than that.
Yeah, because we put a lot of stress in the sails and
Exactly.
and a lot of UV as well.
So thank you so much, and we want to crack on getting them up right away, but as you can see,
it's
the
getting dark
sun
now.
is going
So
down.
tomorrow we're gonna wake up in the morning. We're gonna see if they fit. I mean, I have full confidence. I mean, these guys have been like really on.
And I'm so excited!
Yeah. I'm gonna rip a little bit
now
now because I'm excited. I'm just gonna...
Let's rip them. Not the sails, just the packages.
So what was that stupid thing you said?
Elfstrom sounds like elvish strong, like something out of Lord of the Rings.
Strongest Elvis rope.
Light as a feather.
Shut up. Let's get him inside now.
I don't think we ever owned anything this sexy.
Oh man, look at this! Yes! Oh, smell! Oh, smells so good! Smells so good!
This is our main. The main is a little smaller. It's the Christmas morning. And this is all I made. And there is, woo! Look what I found. Something to shield us from the sun. Yeah. Ready? I don't think I've ever seen brand new sails this close.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
Oh, man. There's a double attachment there. The one that we have in our old sails are single. This is very, very nice. And yes, this is the same, like ours.
Oh, so chic. Okay.
I need a tent.
Jesus. Okay, we got everything in here so it doesn't roll off the deck, and I can hand it to Annika when he needs it and nobody stumbles over it. I will assume my position here in the cockpit.
Moment of the truth.
I think after this, I can probably go on again, yeah, for a little bit, but man, woof, dangerous with me. Okay, I think I'm ready. Let's get this baby up.
It's like a game that you cannot win. Somehow I don't wanna change a thing. I tell myself what a fool I've been. Gone full circle again.
Okay, we got our Genoa on deck set up now, and we're having the UV facing the starboard side like we had before, and I'm just gonna put our starboard and port sheet on. So I'm starting with the port, and it's really nice because this time we have a soft glue here. This was always a little bit of a scary thing to have in metal in high winds. If anybody has to go up front on deck and do anything with the Genoa flapping, you don't really want metal flying around. It's made of Dyneema, so no more metal.
Like we always do. Like we always do.
So guys, our sails are up. Everything worked just so great. They're fantastic. I could just sit here and just look at them as they are absolutely beautiful. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to give you any drone footage of the Genoa hoisting because it crashed in the water. It malfunctioned, and Nick is trying his best to retrieve the SD card somehow with the throw net. We've not given up on it yet, so maybe there's still gonna be a chance. But yeah, guys, this is it. Look at this, how beautiful. We're gonna be going out for a shakedown sail and test everything, probably right away tomorrow. We're still gonna show you guys from all the angles available to us still. So, yay! New sails! Woohoo! Bye, Kiki! He's drifting off in the background. Dear Sarah and Annika, thank you very much for allowing us to make the sails for the Cuba sailing yacht. A special person from the Netherlands approached us at the boat show and shared your remarkable and inspiring story about how you are exploring the world with Cuba. He was clearly impressed by what you are achieving, and as a true ambassador, he passed on that impression to us. He quickly told us about your plans, and the request to produce new sails followed almost immediately. We are delighted to present you with 2 hopefully fantastic Elfstrom sails, with which you can enjoy many more adventures and discover even more beautiful places on Earth. Enjoy the rest of your journey, and we hope to welcome you once in our sail loft someday. All the best, Maxime van Veld, Elfstrom Sails, Benelux.